Today we'll be talking about the best free VPN for iPhone in China and know which one is legal and safe to use. For iPhone users in China seeking a reliable free VPN, Privado VPN Free stands out as the best overall choice in 2025. It offers up to 10 GB of monthly data at high speeds, around 950 MB per second, and includes solid privacy features such as split tunneling and a kill switch. Privado VPN also reliably unblocks major streaming services like Netflix, which is rare among free VPNs. However, its free plan supports only a single device and throttles speeds after the data cap is exceeded. Windscribe Free is another strong option, notable for allowing unlimited simultaneous connections and a somewhat larger server selection, including locations close to China such as Hong Kong. It uses obfuscation technologies to bypass the Great Firewall, but its 10 GB data cap and occasional connection instability may limit heavy use. ProtonVPN Free is praised for its unlimited data and strong privacy stance, though its free plan does not allow server selection and speeds can vary. Despite all this, users in China should remain aware of local restrictions around VPN use, as unauthorized VPN usage there carries risks. These recommendations balance user privacy access and compliance with current regulations and platform policies. This review is neutral, informative, and for educational purposes only. It neither encourages illegal use nor violates any community standards. Always do your own research before proceeding to use any VPN in China. And that would be all for today's review video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.